Jadi kami ingin menang, 3 poin adalah harga mati buat kami untuk pertandingan besok. Dan tentu saja kami berharap supporter untuk datang pada pertandingan besok. Terima kasih.
Tomorrow we're gonna have a difficult match, in my opinion, because Madura, it's not a team that the league table schedule or the league table show. Why? I give example. Goalkeeper of them already play on Premier League on Portugal. The central back, number 3, already play on Premier League on Portugal. The number 9 striker, last season play on second league on Portugal. The number 4 play before on Premier League on Netherlands. The number 10 play 5 matches European Champions League qualify. So these players have better CV than our players. So they have also Lulinha, that is the top scorer of Liga Sato on this moment. They have experienced players. They have also good young players and local players. And they're going to represent Indonesia on AFC competitions, Challenge Cup or something like this. So if we think that we're going to play against Madura, that is down on the table, we're going to have very problems. We need to be prepared. This team changed the coach. Motivation of the players is very high. And we need to be focused 90 minutes. And I hope that the supporters of PSM Makassar come and support the players, because it's very important. Unfortunately, this season we have many injured that after make problems for the competition between first lines and second lines. Unfortunately, we don't have too much competition in our squad because we have many players injured. Some players return from injury, but they are not fit. They don't have good stamina. Some players are with us today. I don't know if they're going to play tomorrow or not. If I can use them because they passed some days on hospital. They are sick. Some players return from injuries. So this is our reality on this moment. A squad that unfortunately have bad luck since the beginning with many players injured, but tomorrow we're going to have 11 and we're going to try that these 11 with the supporters of PSM Makassar supporters. That is very important that tomorrow you come and support here on Batacan Stadium our boys, because it's going to be a tough match. In the other side there is a team that want to win, and if we want to win we need to run more than them. We need to be focused. We need to be aggressive on the good way. We need to be a good defensive organization, a good offensive organization, and we must be ready, because it's not an easy team that we're gonna beat tomorrow. And a good example that they draw 2-2 against the champion last match. They draw 3-3. They considered the draw on the extra time with a penalty against Dewa. So they are showing game by game that they are a strong team, and we cannot see the position on the league table and think that they are not a strong team. If we're going to think about this, we're going to have serious problems tomorrow.
Kami pasti mengetahui bahwasanya pertandingan besok itu tidak akan mudah, karena kita tahu sendiri Madura ingin memperbaiki posisinya di klasemen, dan tentu saja pertandingan besok mereka ingin menang. Tetapi ya tentu saja kami juga ingin menang untuk dikarenakan beberapa hasil kemarin yang di bulan lalu yang menurut saya tidak bagus. Jadi kami ingin menang, 3 poin adalah harga mati buat kami untuk pertandingan besok. Dan tentu saja kami berharap supporter untuk datang pada pertandingan besok. Terima kasih.
Baik, apakah sudah tahu karakter dari Pak Tetor?
Did you make some study about his background? What is his technical approach on the game?
He's a good coach. He was champion on Lebanon, I think. Normally they play 4-3-3 or 4-2-3-1. This coach, but maybe he change. He have too much time to prepare because the FIFA schedule. So we must be ready to can approach the game tomorrow according with the tactics that this coach go to try to play Madura team. But I think the most important thing that this coach bring for tomorrow is the motivation for the players, because the players that not play too much give more intensity on the training, and the players that are playing need to work hard for not losing the position. This is what we need on PC Makassar. We need second line strong for our first lines be always in good fit and good focus. Unfortunately, with the injuries and also with the building of the squad this season, we don't have this lucky. But tomorrow is going to be 11 against 11, and I know that for sure they want to win, and we need to work hard to can win also.
Cukup teman-teman ya? Oke.
Oke, terima kasih.
Terima kasih coach, terima kasih.